our world to shreds, close enough to turn our hair's attention into the air yellow for hours. Have you ever seen such power? Have you ever loved enough to destroy?